Hello guys. This time we're going to discuss about the Venn diagram. So what is this Venn diagram? So a Venn diagram is an illustration of relationship between and among sets. Okay. So as you can see, we have here set U, which is your universal set. And this universal set contains an elements A, B, C, D, E, and F. Then we have also set B. Set B contains an elements A, B, and C. And set C contains an elements C, D, and E. So we are going to illustrate these sets into Venn diagram. Okay. So let us draw first this one, a rectangle. And this is your U, universal set. So all the elements contains in this rectangle is your universal set. So if we have here set B, okay, this is your set B. So set B contains an elements A, B, and C. And your set C contains an element C, D, and E. So if we're going to compare the two sets, so they have a common element. So that common element is C. Okay, so we are going to illustrate that using now this Venn diagram. Okay, so this is your set C. And your common element is C. Okay, then set B we have A, B, and then in your set C we have D and E. Okay, so going back to your universal set, we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we have here an F. So your F, you're going to write your F here. Okay, so since F included in your universal set but not included in your set B and your set C, so you're going to put your F here outside the two circle, which is set B and set C. So this is how to illustrate sets using Venn diagram. Okay, I will give you a concrete example for this. Okay. So Venn diagram may be used to show also set of operations. Okay, so we have here what we call the union of set. Okay, so if we have A union B, so we are going to illustrate this using Venn diagram. So we have here an illustration. So this is your set A, set B. Okay, your universal set. So we have A union B, set A, set B. So if we're going to identify A union B, so this is the answer. Meaning, all elements contains in set A and set B is A union B. Okay, so this is how to illustrate sets using Venn diagram. Okay, example. If we have here universal set, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Then, if we have set A, so if your set A contains an elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8, and then your set B contains an elements 3, 7, 9, and 10. Okay. Let us illustrate this into Venn diagram. So we have here, let us draw this first. Okay. So union of set or universal set. So let us try to identify first the common elements between A and B. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and then set B 3, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, so what are their common elements? So we have 3 and 7. Okay. So let us draw now your Venn diagram. So we have their common elements 3 and 7. Okay. So this is your set A and this is your set B. So set A, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So we have already 3 and 7. So what's left are 1, 5, and 8. In set B, we have already 3, 7 here. So we have only 9 and 10. Okay. So if we're going to find A union B, so based on our given illustration here, all elements contains in A and B is A union B. So meaning A union B contains elements we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So this is how to illustrate the sets using Venn diagram.